Hey there, happy Friday. Hopefully you had a great trading week. Just going to go over some main things in the markets. If this is your first video watching this, thank you for tuning in. I'm not sure who you are, but hopefully you'll learn something from this. I'm just going to go over what my overall 2 cents is. Again, I'm not a master of the markets. I'm not a guru. I'm not a millionaire yet. I'm just here sharing my journey to becoming a profitable trader, okay? As I was saying, every one of these are for educational purposes only, okay? It's not a financial advice, take it as you will. But this past week has been one of the worst weeks since COVID. And if you're just getting started out trading, don't worry, don't panic. I'm just going to go over some key things, okay, to help you. My only goal in this is to help you not lose money. And to hopefully, once you not lose money, find out who you are as a trader. And if you've been watching me over this past year, I go over some setups that I like trading. I'll go over that in this video, but I mainly want to just gear this towards anyone who's just getting started within the markets, okay? Because right now we're in crazy times. Everyone's all worrying about tariffs, tariffs, this, what's going to happen. Are we going to recession? Are we going to depression? Then I want to talk about this. I have a lot on my mind, and again, I'm not a master. I'm not claimed to be a master. I've just been within the markets for 7 years. I've seen things since 2018. Really, I've been immersed, and again, that's nothing. You know, there's people that have been doing this for much longer than I have. I'm just here sharing what I want to share to you, okay? First and foremost, if you're just getting started in trading, okay, I want you just to sit back and just watch. That is it, okay? The power of patience is very crucial in this game. The power of sitting on your hands and doing nothing, okay? As I always said in past video lessons, the 3 dynamics of trading are sound psychology, an effective trading plan or trading methodology, as in a trading system, and number 3 is proper risk management, okay? Those are the 3 pillars of proper trading success. And the most important one is patience. Most people cannot sit on the sidelines, okay? Most people want action. And I get it. Believe me, I was there, okay? I want the action. In the beginning, you want to have the adrenaline rush. You want to be able to say, ooh, I'm a trader. In a sense, that's the trap of trading. That's why most fail, because it's the illusion of control. You know, you're wired for quick wins. You know, market noise versus real signals. And, you know, again, all the hot tips from other people. I get it. You think it's gonna happen fast, and there is a saying, perfect time, right place. For instance, like the people who started trading during this time, it's easy, okay? When you have something like this, it's easy mode. But when you have times like we're going through right now, like COVID, those are what separates those who make it and don't. The key thing is survival. That is the key thing in trading, okay? Anyone can do this. During COVID, there is the most, I believe I read it, everyone knows this, during this time, COVID time, you know, during COVID, this entire time right here, during that time, there were the most traders that were ever created. Anyone can open up a broker account and call themselves a trader, okay? There's no barrier to entry. And I want to help you understand that the game is rigged against you already, okay? You are going up against the smartest people out there in the world that have more advanced than you, that have more technology than you, have more money than you, okay? You're fighting an uphill battle. My goal is to help you survive, to reach the point of success, most importantly, profitability, to find your system. And the only way by doing that is survival, you know? Understand that it's okay to do nothing. Okay, whenever you have times like this, go away, take a step back. Like this past week, for instance. Now again, I'm not saying to ignore the markets. No, it's a business. There's always going to be opportunity. Like every business in the world, it's open every day. Okay, it has certain hours, etc. There's going to be plays every single day within the markets. Your goal is to extract it and to filter out the noise and to focus on what fits your criteria as a trader. Again, what works for me is not going to work for you. That is what makes this game unique. Everyone is different. There's not a one-size-fit-all proportion, okay? That's why you have to manage expectations. Whenever you just getting started, whoever you are, okay? Developing a strategy takes time. It does. And understanding your emotional control is an everlasting battle as a trader. And of course, you get the journal, mindful practices. But I want you to understand, managing expectations is vital. Okay, don't just come into this thinking you're going to make millions out of the gate because you see someone on Twitter do it. No, most of that shit is a lie. Not all of it. Those who are really well known and founded, okay, as you develop as a trader, you're going to be able to curate the noise. You're going to be able to find those who actually have a solid track record. Those people are just like you and me. Okay, they started out with nothing. Okay, and they understood that with proper patience and with proper trading methodology, in a sense, overall, they can outcompete the enemy. Okay, but if you just getting started, okay, you have to manage your expectations. Understand that sometimes that this is going to take a lot longer than you think. It will. Just understand. Okay, I've been doing this for, now when I say doing this, I mean studying the markets. I started studying the markets since 2018. Okay, I just started trading with real money during COVID, but some life happens. Okay, but I want you to understand that sometimes it's not going to happen the way you think it's going to happen. That's fine. The markets are not going nowhere. Like, I see everyone on Twitter warring, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? Stop complaining. Okay, it is times like you're witnessing right now. That's why I'm making this video right now for you out there, whoever's watching this. The money that is about to be made after, I hope we go lower. The lower we go, the better, because most of the big money is made after times like this. Okay, it's true. After times like this, you have clean a bounce. And during that time is whenever you push it. Push it. Only if you know what you're doing. Again, anyone can make money. Anyone can make money. But the question is, can you keep the money you make? Okay, I've seen people over the years make a lot of money and no one knows where they're at because they lose it all. And I want you, if you're just getting started, understand it's going to take time. It's going to take patience, the power of patience. I am being serious, okay? I've gotten to the point to where I know my trading methodology. I'm not going to, it's pretty much the same exact shit. Episodic pivots and open range highs. That's what I do. And this is what you need to do. It takes time doing this. Spend time on the weekends. It's hard. Okay? It's not easy. It's not meant to be easy. If it was easy, everyone would fucking do it. It's not. But spend time on the weekends. Keep a database of stock charts. I promise you. If you keep doing this for years, you're going to see the exact same shit happen over and over. This is this last year of two patterns which I've not mastered, but I see over and over and over again. This is just 1 year. This is last year. I have thousands of them. Thousands of charts. Okay? That's what you need to do. That's what you need to do. If you really want to be great, okay, if you really want to make this your career in a sense, you have to understand that you have to have a competitive advantage over other people, okay? What makes you different than those who are, what makes you different, okay? If not, you're gonna fall under the 90% of people who fail. And it's probably even higher, it's probably 95% of people who fail, okay? And I'm not gonna go over some specific stocks. This video is mainly geared towards anyone who's just learning, whoever's just getting started. Click this, watch this. I know I'm going on a rant. I'm just trying to save you time, okay? Because the biggest thing, your biggest enemy is time. I don't know who you are, but stop trying to do everything at once. In the beginning, you're not going to know what to do. I understand. But I promise you, keep it simple. The more you dumb it down, the better. You don't need all these indicators. Yeah, I have moving averages, great. But I could take off the MACD on the bottom. I mean, it doesn't mean nothing to me, really. All I keep it simple is VWAP, moving averages, ADR, volume, and price. That's all that matters. Filter out the noise. Nothing else matters. No one knows when the market's gonna bottom. You think people know? You think people on CNBC, they know? If they knew, they'd be fucking rich. They're not rich. They work for the job, you know? People don't know shit. The more you understand this, the better you're off you're gonna be. Okay, filter out the noise is important. Okay, the more you learn as a trader, you understand most people know nothing. They don't. The only thing that matters is you. Your greatest enemy is you, okay? If you're just getting started, I want you to do this. Focus on the biggest movers, keep them in a database, and I promise you, you're gonna see the plays happen over and over and over again. Just like today, for instance, I'll go over one. ICTT, 5-star, The exact same shit I've been trading over and over again, although this was a delayed reaction. Opening range high plays right over $3. 5-star, even today, for instance, I got long, 550. 5-star, 5-star. Okay, even recently on MLGO, same type of shit, opening range highs, delayed reaction, run up, break over 14, same type of deal, over 20. Pretty much the exact same stuff. As though you have like episodic pivots recently. Galore, CRVO was recent 5-star setup. Pretty much exact same stuff. Big run up, red day, breakout. Consolidation, same deal there. I'm not going to go over my setup because I don't want to bore you, but I have videos already cataloging what my trading methodology is. I'm just trying to show you, if you're just getting started, my 2 cents, because I see a lot of people out there struggling, and I want to help you. Whoever you are, if you click this, you're trying to do something that most people fail to do. And if you made it this far in the video, you're trying. That's awesome. Because I know the longer this goes, the less people that else will watch it. And that's fine, because who am I? You know, I'm no one in a sense. But just promise me that, I promise you, look, no one knows how low we're going to go. No one knows nothing. All I know is this, that there is going to be a time coming up, we're probably in it right now, where money is going to be made. Money is made during times like this, as I just said. It is, okay? And that's the art of patience. Trading is the art of patience. That's really what it comes down to. Patience and understanding your methodology. That is it, okay? That is it. That's really what it comes down to. Power of patience. Wait for your setups. Wait for your criteria. Then act. That's all you have to do. You don't have to overcomplicate nothing, okay? It's that simple. And I know that if you just get started out in trading, you're not going to know what to do, as I just mentioned. And that's perfectly fine, as I just said, because your goal is long-term survival. Just look at the big percent gainers in the overall market, stocks that move. You want something that moves. You don't want to be in the boring random setup that doesn't move. No. Focus on setups that move, keep them on a backlist, and watch them every day, and they will develop. They will develop, set price targets, and if they hit, trade it. Vice versa, long, short, whatever you do want to do. And it's all about playing the odds. That's what this is, okay? You don't have to be right in every trade. That's one big misconception, thinking you have to be right. Who gives a shit about your win rate? No one cares, okay? No one cares about that. I don't care. The best traders have low win rate, but the ones that separate those who actually make it and do not is keeping your losses small and maximizing your wins. That is key things, okay? But I want to wrap this up here because I know the longer this gets, the less we'll watch it. But 3 things, okay? Sound psychology, proper risk management, and effective trading system, okay? Times like we're in right now, risk management is vital. Vital. Do not bleed your account. Cash is king. It always will be king. Cash is king, okay? Sitting and doing nothing is great. Don't think it's not. The art of patience is everything, okay? And I promise you, whoever you are, if you just understand that patience is everything, sit on your hands and only see setups you want to meet and trade them, manage your risk management and manage expectations, I promise you, you're going to have success eventually, okay? I don't know who you are, but everything's going to be okay? But I hope you trading success does really well. Hopefully you make a lot of money, all right? But first things first, long-term survival is very important, okay, as I always mentioned. But yeah, that's my market take. But I'll see you next time.